Hi guys, this is Mike from Keyso. Now I'm going to show how to make red light position correct with KeysoCAD. We draw a circle here and we make a mark. And then we check the red light. As we can see, the red light has a deviation from the real laser. So how should we make this right? Just go to parameters and red light indicator. Here we can set offset of the X and Y, which in my case, I should set the X as 3 millimeter and Y as 2.5 millimeter minus. And then we make red light. We can see the outcoming is the red light and the laser is in the same position now.